Many people ask us what the Connect Consortium is. In short, it's a revolutionary multi-million dollar virtual hospital concept that's supported by 8 nonprofits in 3 different countries. And there's nothing else like it. But how it began was actually pretty simple. In 2012, effectively after supporting and funding millions in new laboratory research, we realized that we had a problem. The issue was getting good ideas from the lab to bedside quickly and efficiently while helping patients so that they didn't have to travel the globe to find options for their children. 6 years later, this dream was realized when Dr. Falade approached us with the same problem, and we joined forces to make Connect a reality. Connect's key 3 goals are to create more trials, improve the speed of trials, and to offer treatments closer to home. We call it a virtual hospital, but this is really a relay race, a race to the cure, and we can't afford to drop any good ideas.
Key thing to remember is that researchers and doctors aren't the same person. This means that good communication is critical to improve trials. That's why we call it Connect. Connect means we're connecting the researcher to the doctor, in essence, treating the patient. This helps to ensure that good ideas aren't lost, because a lot of times ideas that aren't published or presented or aren't well adopted by the institution can become lost. Connect nurtures these good ideas, identifying them early, helping to build the team for the next step. Effectively, it's like a relay race. And through Connect, we're improving the transfer of the baton of research to the doctors.
Even more than just connecting researchers and doctors, we wanted to speed up the process. You see, often publishing or conferences slow down good ideas. This leads to arbitrary delays and/or duplication. Connect puts them all in one safe space where they can share without being concerned about credit and taking the next steps while still moving on and getting the word out. This means we can save 3 to 5 years on every novel trial, potentially saving countless lives.
We're delighted to be part of the Connect group, which brings together and connects families across the globe. Particularly with Australia being a little bit isolated from the US and other parts in the world, this is a unique opportunity for families in Australia to connect with the latest clinical trials, bringing our kids the latest and best treatment. And not only that, also expert advice from the best across the world. This opportunity we're delighted to be part of because it also is not restricted to one pediatric brain tumour type. It covers the whole range. So not just DPIG or medulloblastoma, but all types. But most importantly, which is a very important point to me as a research manager, and that is that we're not duplicating research. So this consortium works very closely with others out there to ensure that we are all working collaboratively together.
Let's take a minute to talk about the statistics of Connect. Connect right now has 19 hospitals working together in collaboration for clinical trials. These 19 institutions cover over 6 countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, Germany, the Netherlands, and the UK. Right now, there are currently 15 clinical trials for kids to actively participate now to find a cure. We have also 7 preclinical projects going on to lay the foundation and the base for the future. This is a faster timeline than most consortia.
A good idea back in 2015 at our hospital here in Australia led to successive trial funding. We call this generational funding, effectively never giving up on a good idea. And so in 2019, we found it nearly eliminated the cancer in 2/3 mouse models. So we put it into Connect in 2019. Now it is 3 years ahead of normal pace and will become a clinical trial in the next year. This is collaboration realised.
Through the Connect Consortium, we hope to see 3 times the clinical trials at 3 times the speed and closer to home, including here in Canada, the United States, Australia, and Europe, all to help brain cancer patients in the fight.
And in the end, this is what Connect is, a way to connect researchers to doctors and doctors to patients so that we can cure many of the toughest pediatric cancers. To learn more and to join the team supporting this special project, visit www.connectconsortium.org.